half a tub of this Cool Whip, put it into a bowl like so. I'm using the extra creamy, but you could use the regular kind. And then we're gonna be adding this lemon frosting, this lemon supreme. So good. Just go ahead and put the entire container right on top of that Cool Whip. Just like so. Gonna add just a splash of lemon juice. Just like that. There's no real solid measurement on that. And then just kind of mix this together. Go ahead and add the rest of that to this mixture. Once that has come together, we're just going to set this aside. 3.5 cups of white self-rising flour and an entire box. This is a 1 pound box of granulated white sugar. Just go ahead and mix this all together. Make a well in the middle. We're gonna be adding half a cup of this vegetable oil. Pour that into the middle, our dry ingredients, just like that. And to that, we're gonna be adding 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I actually like it a little bit more lemony, so I'm adding a 5th tablespoon. That's only if you like it very lemony. And then we're going to take 1 lemon and zest it with a microplane. It's such an easy way to get the zest off of your lemon without getting into that white stuff that's really bitter. Such a nice lemony cake. To that, we're adding 2 cups of just regular tap water. 1 cup here. And 1 more. And then you're gonna give this a really, really, really good mix. This is a perfect springtime cake recipe because it's got so much lemon in it, and it's gonna be such a light cake. You're gonna wanna take it to all your Easter brunches, your springtime events, gals brunch. It's gonna be so good. Starting to puff up already because I'm using that self-rising flour. Now, if you don't have any self-rising flour, you can just use regular all-purpose flour. You just need to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of baking powder. If you guys know what that recipe is, that formula, let me know in the comments so everybody else can see too. So, once this is all mixed together, this is a 9x13 pan, and it's been greased. Go ahead and put this whole thing in the pan. It's gonna be so puffy, guys, and so light and airy. You're gonna love this dessert. So good. Spread this around. And then this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Doesn't this look great? It's already cooled off. Slightly warm to the touch. I've got that lemon and Cool Whip frosting blend. You put that whole thing right on top of this cake. Such a yummy lemony cake with this amazing light whipped cream type frosting. I'm gonna take 1 more lemon and just do a little bit of extra lemon zest right on top of this cake. So pretty, and that lemon zest is gonna make everything taste so much more lemony. So good. Like so. And then I've got these green and white sprinkles that are perfect for spring. Go ahead and just put those right on top of the whole cake. That kind of yellow and green is so great for Easter or any kind of spring potluck or bake sale that you might have going on. And then I found these really cute candy bees. So I'm just gonna pop those kind of all over the cake as well. This last one is gonna go right here. And let's go ahead and cut into it. Oh, wow. Take a look at that cake. Puffed up so much. Let's go ahead and give this a taste test. I want the one with the bee. Wow, that's a really big piece of cake, but candies are crunchy. It's such a lemony cake. You would never believe that there are any eggs or milk in this cake. Totally try this Easter. So good.